Welcome to Tiffany Baby TV. Thanks for tuning in today. If you're new to my channel, I'd like to invite you to hit that subscribe button. I also need you to give this video a big thumbs up because today I have my hands on a sensational white lace unit. It's that brand new HD one, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right in so that you can watch me work. Alright, today we are unboxing and we are going to find out about LYANA. I have LYANA in a color number 2. As I mentioned, this is an HD lace unit. It has an undetectable, flawless, pre-tweezed hairline. And I saw this video when Wig Types Cherry dropped this video on the YouTube channel for Wig Types, you guys, and I about lost my mind. This unit is so gorgeous. Y'all know these are the kind of waves that I just love. I will buy this wig over and over and over again. Now here's something that you may not know. This HD lace, keep them guessing. You guys know that HD does not stand for high definition in this case. HD is the name of the company that's making these new frontals and these new closures, and they are getting this technology so much better. Do you guys see how transparent that lace is? You probably can't see it. It is a little bit of an ashy tone, so we will be spraying that with our lace spray tint, but look at how good that looks, you guys. Do you see how gradual and natural that hairline is and how faded in that looks? This is gonna be so fun. Now, I have seen a couple other people reviewing these HD lace units, and one thing that I have figured out from watching others work is that you have to do some type of camouflaging for this lace. Because it's transparent and it is so light, you do have to really make sure that it blends with your skin complexion. Otherwise, it will appear ashy. You will be able to see it. They also keep saying that these units are glueless, but I have not seen anybody successfully use them or wear them glueless. You're gonna need some kind of spray, some kind of makeup, some kind of gel, something to blend this. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace off, and I'll be right back with you guys once I have it on. Alright, so straight onto my head. Before I've done anything to that, before I've sprayed it with spray or added any kind of makeup or anything to the hairline, this is what it looks like. Here's a close-up on the parting space. I'm going to be using the Got to Be Glued and the Blasting Free spray combination that I always use to lay this baby down. Y'all see that disappear as soon as I laid that down? Goodness gracious. Talk about melt. Alright, so it's time for the big reveal. Did this lace melt? Is it truly HD? I'll let you be the judge, sis. LYANA has a very natural density. This unit is not overly full of hair. It's not giving me very much tangling. There is a little bit down towards the ends. You're gonna get that with a unit that's this texture and this length. You're gonna get some tangling. If it's synthetic, it's just gonna happen. It just is, sis. This is how long she is. So a true hip length on me, and for reference, I am 5'2". If you wanted to wear this half up, half down, you absolutely can, and I love units that give you that kind of versatility. So far, you guys, I am so glad that I waited until they got it right to buy one of these sensational wet lace units. Ugh, that looks so natural and so beautiful, you guys. Oh my goodness, I might really be sold on this HD lace company. This frontal looks awesome. Do you see those waves? I'm swimming, don't drown. Don't drown, babe. These units are heat safe up to 400 degrees. Y'all, I'm looking at this in the mirror right behind you, and this thing looks better than just about anything else that I've had on my head in 2020. Honestly, I think this is definitely my favorite wig so far this year. That looks like a sew-in. Can you see? I'm gonna bring you in closer. Do you see what I'm showing? I haven't even put any powder at this hairline yet, you guys. It looks so good. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a 360 so that you can see it all the way around. This was coins very well spent. Shout out to my husband for purchasing this for me because I had already blown my wig budget for the week. Shout out to the hubby for coming through and making sure that we had some bomb slays to share with you guys. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Make sure that you comment down below and let me know what you think. How would you rate this unit against all the other wet lace units? For some of you that have already reviewed the other ones, let me know what you think as well. Thank you so much for the time that you spent watching me today. I appreciate you as always. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. If you're not already subscribed, hit that button before you go and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye, loves.